How to turn off YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of View. Now at the top right corner, you will find this settings icon. Click on it. Head towards the option of General. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. Head towards the option of Playback in Feeds. Open it. Set it to off. Once you do that, head back to the home page. Now scroll down. Head towards the search section. After you land to the short section, now what you have to do is at the top right of the short, you will find 3 dots. Click on it. Now click on the option of not interested. Apply the same process for all the shorts given. Just click on 3 dots and click on not interested. Once you do that, first quit your YouTube app in this way. Now again launch it. Now you can go through your home page. You won't find the short section. So this is how you can easily turn off YouTube Shorts. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.